everybody, I'm Yuki. Welcome back to my Squareline LVGL lesson. In this lesson, I will show you how to design a nut with magnets and a basic UC demo with LVGL. In this project, we use AS5600 model to rechange in the angle of the nut. So let's watch a video to learn the project we are going to do in lesson 3. Firstly, I'd like to share how to make a nut with a magnet. You need a AS5600 model, a magnet, a bearing, and a 3D printer kit, and a sample dent. The AS5600 uses I5C port for communication with controller, connected into MaTouch 4-inch display. Then we design the UI based on MaTouch with Squareline. Click on Squareline to log into your account, or click on Sign Up if you don't have one. If you have no Squareline installed, please check my lesson 1. Next, create projects. Click on Create, click on Make a Face, and we will see a variety of MaTouch produced available for us to choose from. Select the 4-inch screen. Modify the desired project name and location information. Add the image we need to use. Click Screen. Switch to the screen settings. Click Background. Add the image to the screen. Add an image. Check its background to set it to a node. Check its position and rotation point. By changing its rotation angle, we can see that 900 corresponds to 19 degrees, and 2700 corresponds to 217 degrees. At this point, our LVGL graphical user interface has been designed. Click Ctrl S to save, and then output the project code document. Before we go into the Arduino design, we need to know how to get the angle values of the AS5600. Open Google to search GitHub. Click on our video code repository. Open AS5600 test. We can see that the AS5600 is controlled through the I5C. First of all, enter library and the initialization of the pins. Then enable the I5C pin. This I5C screen function is detect the address of the I5C. And then the angle shift. We can see that the input in this function is the pulse picked up by the sensor, and convert it into a formula so that the output is 316 degrees. Then we can view the angle information of AS5600 through the serial monitor. Copy the code of the AS5600 library and open the output code file into the Arduino design. Add a driver library for the AS5600. As just explained, the first step is to enter the library and define its pins, and then enable the I5C pin. Add an angle conversion function. Serial monitor to print angle value. Then the angle of the nut is defined as the original angle values, because the rotation angle of the Squareline image is 10 times the original angle, so it needs to be multiplied by 10. Click on the code project document you just output. We need to copy the LVGL file into the SRC folder in the LVGL folder in Libraries. Copy this file into the Arduino library. Go back to the Arduino. Connect the screen with USB. Select the COM port and the board of the ESP32S switch and click Download. When the download is complete, you will see the interface we designed. In this lesson, we learned the Squareline components image and through the AS5600 to control its nut changes and interact with MaTouch. Of course, Squareline has many more features you can have tried or kitten with MakeFair YouTube channel. Bye!